Okay, so one more minute. So Nitin, your school started? Nitin. Okay. Kevin? Kevin? Yeah, which chapter started? Kevin? Introduction. Okay. So maybe they'll start first one. Syllabus, some doubt there is. Okay. So anyway, we are almost end of this polynomials based on last year's syllabus. Okay. So in case they add more portions, we'll continue. Okay. Listen now, I just go through the portions because some new guys. Okay. I think what is the name? Okay. Who this one? What is the name of one student name? Your name should be matching with our register. Okay. Anshika, who's that? Who's that, Hanshika? Hello, Hanshika.
Sir, I'm the new one. I joined today.
Yeah, which school?
DPS.
Okay. So listen here. So we are starting. I just start. Actually, we started from 26th. 26 or 24?
So I think
24th.
24th. Yeah. How many classes finished now? And, I think four, right?
Four classes.
4 classes finished. Today there is a based on 4 classes. There will be a test. You guys no need to write, not compulsory to write. Okay. So look at here. We are doing actually now the final stage of this chapter. Before that, before finalizing the chapter, I'll do some revision questions. Then we'll go to the tough questions. And after 2 classes, we'll start the new chapter. That is maybe first chapter or based on school starting. Okay. Then first chapter is comparatively very easy now because they dropped many portions. Okay. Now this chapter mainly dealing with quadratic polynomials. Okay. So the main is, you know, that general form is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form. Ax square plus bx plus c. Bishwant, you check the note, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So your brother name, what's the name? Kishan, right? Okay. Listen. Yes, head. What's the doubt? Tell me. Okay. So now we are.
Kishan.
Okay, Kishan. Okay. Listen now. Listen, everyone. Listen. I just revising the chapter. Okay, not full. Okay. This is the general form of a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and like 3x square plus 2x plus okay, x square plus 6x plus 8, one polynomial. Okay, then here a is what? This listen, the basic level, ax square plus bx plus c. A means the coefficient of x square. B means the coefficient of x. C means constant term. C is constant term. Clear now? A is what? A is coefficient of x. B is coefficient of x. C constant term. For example, what about here A?
So it's 1.
A is 1. A is 1. B is 6. 8. C is 8. There is no head. There is no easy method to find out the zeros. You have to do only splitting the middle terms. That's only. Okay. So look at here now. Just listen all. I just introduction, then it will be easy. Look here now. See, that is the main thing. Not depends on the position. For example, 6x plus 3x square plus 10. What is A?
3.
B is
6.
and sorry, C is 10.
10.
B is 6. I hope everyone okay. This is
Yes,
all.
sir.
And Shiga, everyone okay. Newcomers all okay. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now B is what? B is 6. Now why are you asking the head? B, listen, you remember like this. So not depends on the position of the terms. A is coefficient of x square. A is coefficient of x square, wherever it is. Maybe 7 plus 3x plus 8x square. What is A?
8.
A. A is 8, B is 3, C is 7. Not depends on the position or of the terms. Depends on the coefficient of x square. Okay, C is 7, B is 3. Okay, now another question. 8x square plus 6. What is B?
0.
Okay, right?
0.
And 8x square plus 7x. What is C?
1. 0.
Right? 0. Because there is no term now. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that I hope everyone okay that part. Okay. Then after that, so clear now. This is called a quadratic polynomial because today we have a test based on the. That's why I just want to make sure all. Okay. Look. So this is the general form. The general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c and a not equal to 0. Okay. So then. Suppose an example, 3x square plus 5x plus 10. A equal to 3, B equal to 5, C equal to 10, like that. Okay. Now, I hope clear now. Now, another word, maybe everyone have doubt still. What is the zero of a polynomial? Okay, zero of a polynomial. Sure, you have a doubt. Maybe you didn't understand what is the zero actually. Okay. Look, I tell you that. Suppose x square plus 6x plus 8, one polynomial, okay? Then this is called P of x, studied in class 9. If I substitute some values, for example, I put P of 0, what do you get? 0 plus 0 plus 8. We got answer is what? 8. Okay. I put P of 1. You studied this one. Finding the value of the polynomials. P of 1, 1 plus 6 plus 8. Okay, so you'll get 15. Okay, then I substitute P of minus 1. I just giving the values positive and negatives. Okay, minus 1 square plus 6 into minus 1 plus 8. Minus 1 square positive, minus 6 plus 8. You remember, minus 1 raised to even number is positive. Look, minus 1 raised to 100, that is 1. Minus 1 raised to 101 is negative 1. Keep in your mind. Keep it in a box that, right? Write in a box. Write in a box that minus 1 raised to 100 equal to 1. Minus 1 raised to 101 equal to minus 1. Everyone, keep it in a box. Okay. Write in a box. Okay. So now look at here. Then, okay, we got here -1. I substitute. We got 8 minus 6, 8, 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 9 minus 6, 3. Okay. Then I substitute P of -2. What happens? Let us see. -2 square plus 6 into -2 plus 8. So 4.
The 4 minus 12 plus
12 plus 8. We get 0. Correct or no? 4 plus 8 minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Then I substitute P of -4. What happened? -4 square plus 6 into -4 plus 8. So 16 minus 24 plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Look at here now. These two values, look. These two. When I substitute, look, when I substitute x equal to -2, we got the value become 0, and -4 the value become 0. That's why we can say -2 and -4 are the zeros of this polynomial. Clear or not? -2 and -4 are the zeros of this polynomial. We can say 0 is not a zero of this polynomial. 1 is not a zero of this polynomial. -1 is not a zero of the polynomial. Okay, now which is a zero? -2 and -4 are the zeros of this polynomials. I hope you understood what is the zero and all. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone okay? Newcomers and Shiga. Newcomers are clear or not? What is the meaning of zero of the polynomials? Zero of a polynomial means when the entire value, the value of the polynomial becomes 0, that is called the zero of the polynomials. Clear now? Are you okay or not? Newcomers.
Yes, sir.
Gant and Shiga, clear? Anyone had doubt also? Clear? Tell me now if you have doubt. Okay. The meaning of zero of the polynomial means the value becomes 0. One shorter one. Look, x plus 3. If you substitute x equal to -3, -3 plus 3 becomes 0. So we can say -3 is the zero of the polynomials, like that. Okay. Now, after that, okay. Now my question. Now you have a question. How to find the zero of a polynomial? Look at here. How to find the zero of the polynomial? Listen. For example, if it is small one, x plus 3, it is very easy to find out. How? X plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to -3. That is -3 is the zero of the polynomial. X minus 1, how to find out? X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is the zero of the polynomial, like that. Okay, clear or not?
Yes,
How
sir.
to find the, this is called linear polynomials. But this case, this type of questions, how to find the zero of a polynomial? Listen, very simple. X square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now you're going back to class 9 polynomial chapter. You learn how to split the middle terms. Only way how to find out the zeros of polynomials. Okay, you think about. I'm not going to details of how to split. You have to learn that. Okay, you find out the product is 8. Two numbers, their product is 8, and sum is 6. Which are the numbers?
So 2 and 4.
2 and 4. Correct? 2 into 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, if you want, you can directly write or 4x plus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. Then x outside, x plus 4 plus 2 outside, x plus 4 equal to 0. So that means x plus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So what you can say, x equal to okay, we got like this. If you are smart, If you are smart, you can directly, there is no issue. Okay, because we don't want to steps this here. Okay, directly you can write x plus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, here now look, x plus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. That means the product of two numbers is 0. Product of two numbers is 0 means what are the options? Option 1, first number 0, or option 2, second number is 0. Option 3, what? Both numbers are 0. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Because listen, a into b equal to 0. A into b equal to 0 means either a 0 or b 0 or both are 0. So now here x plus 4 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 4. X plus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 4. This is the way of finding the zeros. Clear or not? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Anyone had doubt how to find? I'll give two small examples. Okay, right. Find the zeros of a polynomials. Everyone, right? Find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 9x plus 18. X square plus 9x plus 18. Try now.
So 3 and 6.
Why are you announcing man? It's not 3 and 6. It's wrong only. Okay.
No, not the zeros.
I'm talking about zeros only. You find out the zeros and keep quiet. Okay, I'll ask you.
Got it, sir.
Okay, so what we will do? What you got? This one. Who all got? Just type your answer. Don't announce it. Okay. Who all got? Just type your answer. Okay. 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 No, Muhammad Faisal, you have to not writing like that. You have to find the zeros. Okay, you have to find the zeros. Okay, I hope everyone finished. Okay. Vishant, you got? Vishwant.
I got.
Okay, so Hanshiga, you got getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look, you can write this one x plus 3 into x plus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 6. Okay, copy that. And another question. Another question. Two x square. Wait. Okay. Okay. X square plus 8x plus 15. X square plus 8x plus 15. X square plus 8x plus 15.
Sir,
Hmm.
if we are done, can we send it on chat or no need?
Which one?
If we are done, do
No,
we
no,
need
no,
to
no,
send
no, 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 no. Just a revision only. So what you got here? X plus 5 into x plus 3 equal to
The
0.
zeros are -5 and -3.
Minus 5 and minus 3. Minus 5 and minus 3. I hope clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one, x square minus 6x minus 16. X square minus 6x minus 16. X square minus 6x minus 16.
Done, sir.
X square minus 6x minus 16. Okay, getting Moira, finish. Sairo. Hello, Sairo.
Yeah, yes, sir.
You got this one?
Yes, sir.
Sure, no?
Yes, sir.
Shravan, finish because I Siddharth, he finish. Siddharth, you finish?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So finished.
Okay. So look at here this one. X plus 8 into x minus 2 equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
No, wrong. X minus 8 into x
It should be -8
Yeah,
and
yeah,
plus
okay,
2.
okay. X minus 8 into x plus 2 are 0. Therefore, zeros are 8 and minus 2, correct? Zeros are 8 and minus 2. Okay, Shreyas, zeros are 8 and correct now. Minus 8 plus 2 minus 6x. Minus 8 into 2 minus 16. So zeros are 8. Sarah, zeros are 8 and minus 2. Look, x minus 8 equal to 0, x equal to 8. X plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2, like that. Okay. 8
Yes, sir.
and minus 2. Okay. Next one. Okay. Now, listen now. There is another topic we learned. The relation between zeros and coefficients. That's a very important thing. This is the main part of this chapter. Okay. The relation between zeros and the coefficients. Ax square plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c. Here, two zeros. We assume that the zeros are alpha and beta, Greek letters. Okay. Zeros are, we are saying the details, the newcomers details you can check in our YouTube. You can check, everything is there. Okay. Zeros are alpha and beta. Then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. And the product alpha beta is c by a. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. This is a very important relation between zeros of a quadratic polynomials. What? Alpha plus beta, that means sum of the zeros. sum of the zeros is minus b by a and product is c by a. For example, 3x square plus 2x plus 8. Okay, just a dummy questions. 3x square plus 2x plus 8. What is alpha plus beta? Hello.
Minus 2 by
minus
3.
2 by 3.
Minus 2 by 3 because this become minus this is 3. Alpha beta is 8 by 3.
8 by.
So you have to remember this one, alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha beta c by a. Okay, I'll ask you some question. Okay, don't answer it. Okay. Newcomers supposed to answer. Okay. Okay, what is the name? Tia, your exams all over?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you attended today from the beginning, right?
Yeah, sir.
Because today everything is reloading. Okay. So can you say what is the alpha plus beta here? 5x squared plus 10x plus 3. What is alpha plus beta?
1 second, sir.
Okay, then wait then. Shravan, what is alpha plus beta?
Minus 10 by 5.
Minus 10 by 5. Alpha beta?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Okay, now
Can
7x
we
squared.
write minus 2?
Ah, that is okay. That's no problem. Okay. That is, you can simplify. That doesn't matter. Okay. Hanshiga, what is alpha plus beta? This question, 7x squared plus 2x plus 1. What is alpha plus beta? No.
Minus 2 by 7 and
Alpha beta
alpha
1 by
into
7.
b is 1 by 7.
Okay, okay, good. Okay. Now, what is the name? New guy. Sahiru. Okay.
Yes.
5x squared plus 3x plus 3x minus 1. What is alpha plus beta?
Minus 2x by 5.
Minus?
2x by 5.
This is 3.
Yes, sir.
No need to say x. Only coefficients. Minus 3 by 5. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
And product alpha into beta.
1 by 5.
Hey, what about sign? Sign is important thing. Minus 1 by 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if it is, look at here. If it is here like this, minus, then alpha plus beta, here only negative. Minus of minus, that is 3 by 5. Alpha beta minus 1 by 5, like that. Okay. Kishan, not Kishan. What is the name? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear or not? How to write alpha plus beta and alpha beta?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Okay, I'll give you a question. So you write this one. 3x squared plus 4x plus 3. What is alpha plus beta? What is alpha beta? Okay, tell me.
So may I answer?
No. Kia.
Minus alpha plus beta is minus 4 by 3,
Alpha beta
and alpha beta is
3 by 3.
yeah 3 by
Okay,
3.
see, if you're facing the problem, it's very simple. Look at here. Look, for time being, we write A equal to 3, B equal to 4, B equal to 4, C equal to 3. Then alpha plus beta minus B by A. So that is minus 4 by 3. Alpha beta C by A, that is 3 by 3 equal to 1. You can simplify and write. There is no issue. Okay. Okay, one more question. Varshini, Varshini, you did. I hope you checked the notes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer this question. 7x square minus x minus 1. What is alpha plus beta? What is alpha beta? Or you say A what? A is B, C. Tell me.
A is 7, B is -1, and C is -1.
Okay, then alpha plus beta.
Alpha plus beta is 1 by 7.
Yeah, alpha beta minus 1 by 7.
Alpha
Okay.
beta is -1 by 7.
Okay, Ashwida, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, okay, now, we cross the sum of the relation between sum and product. The newcomers, you have to verify with our original notes, and all notes available in the YouTube. Okay. Okay. Now, so we learned how to write alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay. Now, then what I said. Okay. Now write the question. Write the question. The zeros of a quadratic polynomial. 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 X square plus 99x plus 100. X square plus 99x plus 100. X square plus 99x plus 100. Okay. 1. Both positive. Both option. Option A, both positive. Option B, both negative. Option C, one positive, one negative. One positive, one negative. Option D, both equal. Option D, both equal. Option D, both equal.
So could you repeat option B and C?
Option A, both positive. Option B, both negative. Option B, both negative. Option C, one positive and one negative. Option C, one positive and one negative. Option D, both equal. Option D, both equal. Okay. Okay, x square plus, okay, what's your answer? One positive, Shreyas said one positive, one negative. Okay, let us discuss it. Any other one? Any other answer? We have, this is four options there is. One is both are positive. Then both are negative. Then one positive, one negative. Next, both equal. Okay. X square plus 99x plus 100. What is the options, chances? Hello. Come on, others. Aisha, any suggestion? At least you can suggest, no? Hello, Dhruv, Daksh, Yasri. Only one guy only. C is correct. Okay. C means one positive, one negative. Okay. Two answers, Kai. Two answers saying one positive, one negative. Any others? Option C, Vishwant also. Okay. Vishal also same. Okay. Vishal also same C only. Okay. Anubama Singh C. Okay. Shweta one positive, one negative. Hit C. Don't take a lottery. Think about it. Okay. Anaga C. Okay. And Muhammad Faisal C. Okay. Come on, dust all guys. One negative. Aisha also same C. Okay. Engage C. Dhruv one positive, one negative. Okay. All same only. Okay. Come on, man. So how the C? No one want A there is, B there is, D there is. Come on. Vishal, what's your suggestion? Vishal already suggested. Varshini one positive, one negative. Okay. Samrin. Okay. Samrin is a lottery or simply said?
Sir, I'm not sure.
Okay,
Right.
okay. Let us see. Let us see. Final answer. I tell you now. Okay. Here's 3, one positive, one negative. Okay. Ishan, any comment?
Sir, I just guessed.
Kadir. Hello, Kadir. Any comment? So far, except Samrin, rest all said both one positive, one negative. Okay. Okay. Shall I start now? Anyone want to comment? Then comment first. At least you can comment now. A, B, C. It's a lottery. A, B, C, D. There is. Okay. Okay. So look at here now. We can check. My argument. Look at here. Here product means 100 positive. Sum is also 99 positive. Okay. Look at here. Product of two numbers is positive. What are the options? Product of two numbers are positive. What are the options? Come on.
Both the numbers are positive
Or
both are negative.
both are
Both
negative.
equal.
That means your C is straight away rejected. Come on.
All the numbers are negative.
Right? C is straight away gone. Correct or no? Agree or no? C is straight away gone because product positive, sum positive. See, listen. Product positive means both numbers are either positive or both are negative only chances. Oh, keep in your mind, clear or not? Correct or not?
Yes.
Because see, -1 into -3 equal to +6. 1 into 3. Sorry, here 3. 1 into 3 equal to 3. -1 into -3 also 3. 1 into 3 also 3. So that means option C and D. D cannot say. C is rejected. Okay. Okay. Anyway, both are maybe positive sign or the negative sign. Okay. Now, what is the form of, listen, the newcomers may be, the formation is what? X square minus sum into x plus product. This is the formation of a quadratic polynomial, right? The formation, listen, the formation of a quadratic polynomial means x square minus is a default there, but this is a negative sign default here. X square minus sum into x plus product. Okay. If I take, suppose 1 and 3. Okay. Zeros are 1 and 3. What will be the polynomial? Kadir. Zeros are 1 and 3. What is the polynomial? Kadir.
X square, x square plus.
What is the standard form, Kadir? You are today going to write a test now. What is the standard form?
And form is x square minus
X square minus you cannot reject it minus already there. X square minus sum into x plus product. So what is the answer? If 1 and
X
3
square
Ah.
minus 4x
Ah.
plus 3.
plus 3, right? Okay. Now, clear now? Suppose 2 and 7. What is the polynomial? Farzana, 2 and 7. What is the polynomial then? Farzana, can you answer? If zeros are 2 and 7. Farzana. Farzana, can you hear me? Hello. Farzana, you are here or not? Oh, mic is not working. Then, okay, tell me the answer. 2 and 7. You can type, no? 2 and 7. Zeros are 2 and 7. What is the, why all of a sudden mic not working? Ishan, what is the polynomial then? 2 and 7. What is the polynomial?
Sir, x square minus 9x plus 14.
Plus 14. Clear now? Hanshiga, Vishwant, newcomers, clear now? That one, how to form the polynomials? X square minus is default. Minus is a default. Then 2 plus 7 is x square minus 7x plus 14. Clear now? Hanshiga. Hello. Hello. Can you hear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then, Vishwant, okay. Now, so here, okay. If it is minus 1, okay. Now, the positive case we clear now. Minus 1 and minus 3, what happened? X square minus 1 minus adding minus 4 x plus 3. So what happened? Minus into minus plus x square plus 4x plus 3. So the sum is positive. Then what option there? Both are positive or both are negative?
Both
No.
are positive.
Both are
Negative.
positive.
How come? How come? You think both are positive? We check no. Both are positive. We check 2 and 7. What is the polynomial? 2 and 7. What is the polynomial? X square minus 7
X square
minus 9x plus 40.
plus
Correct or not?
14.
Because the form is what? X square minus sum into x plus product. Correct? X square minus sum into x plus product. So x square minus sum is 9x plus 14. So minus. Okay. If it is minus 2 and minus 7, what happened? Minus 2 and minus 7, what is the sum? Minus 2 plus minus 7, what is the sum?
Plus 9x.
No, my question answer it. Minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 7, what is the answer?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. So then x square minus of minus 9x plus 40. So what? X square plus 9x plus 40. So to get positive, both are what?
Negative.
Both are negative. Then only possible? No. So final answer is what? Both are negative. Option B only correct. Answer what? Both are negative. I hope clear now. Don't by heart it. Understood now how it is coming. It should be both are negative. It's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write first.
Yeah.
Okay. Now after that, speed up. Now I need to find the zeros. Now I need to find the zeros. Yes. Okay. Just asking you an option whether okay. Okay, so next question, right? Find the condition that, right? Find the condition that find the condition that zeros of polynomial p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c are reciprocal of each other. 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 Once again, find the condition. Find the condition that zeros of polynomial p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c are reciprocal of each other. Reciprocal means what? Alpha and 1 by alpha.
So could you repeat the question again?
Find the condition that zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c are reciprocal of each other. Are reciprocal of each other. Are reciprocal of each other. Okay, can you try?
Yes, sir.
Don't confuse. Reciprocal means alpha and 1 by alpha. Reciprocal means alpha and 1 by alphas. Okay. Okay, look at here. The zeros are what? First zero is alpha. Second is 1 by alpha. First is alpha, second is 1 by alpha. According to the condition, what? Find the condition that zeros is the polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c are reciprocal of each other. Okay. So alpha into 1 by alpha equal to, the product is what? C by a. C divided by a. Alpha cancel. 1 equal to c by a, which implies a equal to c. That means the zeros are reciprocals. Coefficient of x square and constant term same only. Clear or not? Hello, are you okay? Listen. If the zeros are reciprocal, reciprocal means 1 and 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, 4 and 1 by 4, like that. If the zeros are, if the zeros are reciprocals, okay. If the zeros are reciprocals, then coefficient of x square and constant term same. Okay, you write that. Start. First, let the first zero alpha. Let the first zero alpha. Second zero 1 by alpha. Second zero 1 by alpha. Okay, then product alpha into 1 by alpha equal to c by a. C by a. So 1 equal to c by a. So a equal to c. Question again. Let the first zero is alpha. Second zero is 1 by alpha. So alpha into 1 by alpha equal to c by a. So 1 equal to c by a equal to c. Okay. So clear now? This one clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
okay? So that means if the zeros are reciprocals, A and C should be equal. Keep in your mind, okay? Because your exam, if it is based on last year's syllabus, it will be MCQs. So careful this one, okay? Next. Are you okay? The newcomers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Navdeep, is it okay? Sahairu, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And at the same time, you have to check our YouTube, so the missing classes you can catch up. Okay. Varshini, okay?
Yes, sir.
Next one. If one zero the quadratic polynomial, if one zero the quadratic polynomial, if one zero of 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 the quadratic polynomial, 14x square 14x square minus 42 k square x, 42 k square x minus 9 is negative of the other, is negative of the other, is negative of the other. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. If 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial, if 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial f of x equal to 14x square minus 42 k square x minus 9 is negative of the other. Find the value of k. Negative of the other means what? One is positive, one is negative. So what do you call, what is special name is there? Negative of the other. What is that? Shreyas, listen. If one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, 14x square minus 42 k square x minus 9 is negative of the other. So negative of the other, one special name is there. What is that? Additive inverse. Yes, correct. Additive inverse. 14x square minus 42 k square x minus 9 is negative of the other. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Okay, try now. Anyway, I'll explain this one. It's a new question. Okay. So listen, the test. You have to write your name clearly, capital letter. Okay. First test, capital letter. Then your batch. Okay. Then draw margin, proper margin with a pencil. And okay. Not much questions, only maybe 2 or 3 questions only. And everyone can try because I explained. No? Okay. 14x square minus 42 k square x minus 9. Okay, try. Anyone finish or not? Nandan. Okay, yeah, yours three. Let us see. Anaga, you got?
So I made a mistake, so I'm just doing it again. I almost got that.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Yours three. That's okay. Correct. Saeed Muhammad. That's correct. Okay. Look at here. First zero, alpha. Second is minus alpha. Right? Second is minus alpha. Sum alpha plus minus alpha. You know that sum is minus b by a. 42 k square by 14. This is 0. That is 42 k square by 14. So what? K equal to 0. Correct or no? Because this side is 0. That means k equal to 0. That means, okay, right first. Anyone have doubt this one? Tell me.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Sir, I
See,
did not understand.
look, what is the okay? You tell me what is the sum here, Anuvama? Alpha plus beta is what?
So minus b by a.
I know that. What is this, in this question?
So 42 by 14.
42 k square by 14. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 42 alpha plus beta is 42 k square by 14. But alpha is alpha only. Plus beta is negative of each other. That means minus alpha equal to 42 k square by 14. This is 0 now. 3 plus minus
Yes,
3. 3 plus minus 3 0. Like that. Alpha plus minus
Yeah.
alpha 0. That means k equal to 0. Now
Yes.
okay.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So finish it first. So that means if the zeros are negative of each other, there is no b value. B should be negative only. Correct or no? Okay. Mega is okay. Clear now? Pradeep is okay. Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, TR.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Find the value of k. 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 If -1 is a zero of the polynomial, -1 is a zero of the polynomial, kx square minus 4x plus k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if -1 is a zero of the polynomial, kx square minus 4x plus k. Find out.
Sir, could you repeat after 0 of the polynomial?
-1 is a if -1 is a zero of the polynomial kx square minus 4x plus k, then find the value of k. Clear now? Vishal, you got the question now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I got disconnected, so I couldn't hear the question. Sir, can you please?
Okay, question is this one. If -1 is a zero of the polynomial kx square minus 4x plus k. -1 is a zero of the polynomial kx square minus 4x plus k, then find the value of k. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes, Vishwant, correct. So you just substitute x equal to. So the test is compulsory. If anyone have issues before the test, you send the reason. Okay. I hope everyone is in here now only. No one in India now, right? Shall you reach now?
Yes, sir, I'm in Kuwait.
Okay. So time 9 o'clock. Okay. Not more.
So
not
till
too-
when is the test?
Yeah.
Till how much is the test? Like what
Test
time?
will be. I told you no. 1 or 2 questions. That's all. Maybe 10 minutes.
So what time we need to finish it, submit it?
You starting time 9 o'clock now. 9, 10, 9:15. You can take time. Okay. Not much more time.
Okay, sir.
Timing is important. They see if it is last year syllabus, 50 questions you have to answer it. 50 questions, 50 MCQ questions within the time limit is very time is very less only. So careful that you have to speak. You have to practice now itself. Okay. Okay. So look at here. The saying k equal to -1. So what? K into -1 square 4 into -1 plus k equal to 0. K into -1 square minus 4 into -1 plus k equal to 0. So k -4 plus k equal to 0. 2k minus 4 equal to 0. 2k equal to 4. K equal to 2. Finish. K equal to 2.
Sir, it should be already plus 4, right?
Eh?
Because
So,
minus 4
minus
into
4 into
Minus
minus
into
1.
minus.
So it should be
Oh,
four.
minus. Okay, yeah, you're right. K equal to minus 2. K equal to minus 2. Correct or no? So copy first.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so next question. If 1 is a zero of the polynomial, 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 ax square, okay, minus 3 into a minus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. Listen, 1 is a zero of the polynomial. If 1 is a zero of the polynomial, ax square minus 3 into a minus 1 into x minus 1. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. Find the value of a.
Sir, after 3 into a minus 1, is that x or multiplication sign?
A 3 into a minus 1 into x.
Okay.
Okay. You just substitute x equal, just substitute x equal to what? X equal to 1. Okay, A equal to what? Side. Okay, just see. Let me check. Okay. Okay, x equal to 1, right? A into 1 square. 3 into A minus 1 into 1 minus 1 equal to 0. A minus 3A minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. A minus 2A plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2A equal to minus 2. A equal to 1. Who all got? A equal to
I
1.
got, sir, A is equal to 1.
I got
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
got
Correct.
it.
Okay, then for all my mistakes, correct it. Anubama, correct it. I don't in India, right? Anudima, you're in India, is here. Okay, okay, he's back. Okay. Okay, complete first. So finish. Everybody got? Arth, you got? Ashmita. Okay. Pradeek. Kate. Maharshi. Finish or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nitin. Okay, so I'm going to give next question then. Okay, next question. This all question star mark question. Okay. Next one. If the sum and product, how many questions finish today? How many finish?
So 8.
Okay, I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Just go through these questions, today's questions. Okay, I'll start from 557. Okay, just go through today's questions. If anyone have doubt, tell me, I'll discuss it. After that, only next questions. Just go through, not to study, just go through whether you understood or not. After that, till 5 minutes there is. Okay.
So,
Hmm.
so can you explain the question? Find the condition that the zeros of the polynomial px is equal.
Okay, I'll do that. The condition, look. The condition means, listen, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. The question saying the zeros are reciprocals. You know, reciprocals means what? 3 and 1 by 3, 4 and 1 by 4, 6 and 1 by 6, minus 6 and minus 1 by 6, like that. This is called reciprocals. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we assume that the zeros are alpha and 1 by alpha, right? Reciprocals.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you have two conditions. One is alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha beta c by a. You can use anything, you can use it. Either this or this one. But here, if you use here, you won't get that conditions. So you go to this one, alpha. First is alpha. Second one is beta. Beta means 1 by alpha equal to c by a. So alpha and alpha cancel, 1 equal to c by a. So we got c equal to a. That means coefficient of x square and constant terms will be equal. Now clear or not?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Listen, if the zeros are negative of each other, then you use this one. The sum you will use it. Because next question that only. Check each question, check it. Okay. What is that? Your doubt? Shweta, explain this question. Okay. Shweta's doubt is how both are negative. Okay. I'll tell you one with example. Look at here. Shweta, you take 1 and 2. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shweta, 1 and 2. What is the polynomial? The zeros are 1 and 2. What is the polynomial? This is a question I'm clearing. The zeros are polynomial x square minus 99x plus 100. In that doubts, okay. Just example 1 and 2, because MCQs you can use the examples and trial and error. Okay, 1 and 2. What is the polynomial?
Sir, x square plus 3x plus 2.
X square plus 3x. How? The form is what? X square minus
Oh, sorry,
sum
sir.
into x plus product. Okay, x
Square
square
minus x plus 2.
3x plus 2. Okay, that means both are positive. Okay, minus 1 minus 2. Tell me.
X square plus x.
X square plus
Plus
3x plus 2,
plus-
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Minus 1 plus 2. What is the polynomial?
X square plus x plus
Wait. Shraddha, listen. I tell you again. Listen. Look. Zeros are 1, everyone listen here. Zeros are 1 and 2. Sum equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Product equal to 2. Polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again, 1 minus 1 minus 2. Sum minus 3. Product 2. Polynomial x square minus of 3 into x plus 2. X square plus 3x plus 2. Clear or not? Because
Yes, sir.
minus or minus. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Zeros are 1 minus 2. Sum. Okay. Sum 1 plus minus 2 minus 1. Product minus 2. Polynomial x square minus sum is minus 1 into x plus minus 2. What is that? X square plus x minus 2. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one more. Minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2. So sum minus 1 plus 2, 1. Product minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Polynomial x square minus 1 into x minus 2. So x square minus x minus 2. Check all, everyone. Hello. Okay, now look at here. When both are negative, we got our format x square. If both are negative only, x square plus 3x plus 2. And also, show the lesson. Plus 100, agree or not? Right?
Yes, sir.
The product is positive, means both should be either positive or both are negative. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But now the sum is here is positive plus 99x. That means, of course, both are negative. Okay. Then
Yes,
only
sir, got
okay. Now listen, everyone write this note. Write the polynomial. Right. I'll get this way. Everyone answer. Write the polynomial. Write the polynomial. If the zeros are 6, 3. Write the polynomial. Write the polynomial. If the zeros are 6, 3. Okay. Don't go short form. Write everyone like this. Alpha plus beta. That means sum. 9. Alpha beta 18. Polynomial. I'm not giving the general format only now. Okay, just giving only one polynomial. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So that is x square minus 9x plus 18. Okay, this is the first part. Copy everyone. Okay, then next is minus 6 minus 3. Alpha plus beta minus 9. Alpha beta 18. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square minus of minus 9x plus 18. So x square plus 9x plus 18. See the difference? Okay. Copy this one. Okay, next option. minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 comma plus 3. Alpha plus beta minus 6 plus 3 equal to minus 3. Alpha beta minus 18. Polynomial x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square minus 3 into x minus 18. So x square plus 3x plus 3x minus 18. This is the third option. One more option is there is. Whenever you have a doubt, you just treat these examples. Okay. One more there is. Okay, one more option. The last one, plus 6 and minus 3. Alpha plus beta 3. Alpha beta minus 18. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is x square minus 3x minus 18. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3. This fourth one. Okay. This one. Just go through this 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you come to know the difference. Shweta, now clear now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone okay? Anyone have doubt? Why coming negative here? It's all clear now. Okay. Okay. Now, so I hope you clear your doubts all. This 8 question. Now let's see other question. Okay. We'll do one more question. Okay. Not tired now. So we can do one more question, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Right. If the sum and product of the zero, this is one of the star question. If the sum and product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, if the sum and product of the zeros, if the sum and product, if the sum and product, if the sum and product, if the sum and product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 5x plus c. If the sum and product of the zeros of the polynomial, if the sum and product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 5x plus c are equal to 10 each, the sum is 10, product also 10. Find the value of a and c. Find the value of a and c. The sum is 10, product also 10. Find the value of a and c. Question clear now? The sum and product of the polynomial ax square minus 5x plus c are 10. The sum is 10, product also 10. Find the value of a and c. Okay, what is the anybody got? What is A? What is C? Anyone?
So 1 minute, I'm done.
Okay.
I'm almost on 1 minute.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. Okay, Faisal, I think correct. Okay, I don't know. Let me check. Okay, I think no, Faisal.
Sir, like, can you discuss this?
Okay, look at here. First of all, you write alpha plus beta, that is 5 by A equal to 10. The sum is 10. Alpha plus beta 5 by A minus B by A, 5 by A equal to 10, 5 equal to 10 A equal to 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2. Finish. Product alpha beta C by A, that also 10. C by 1 by 2. Okay, that is 10 equal to 2C, 2 going up. C equal to 5. So A equal to 1 by 2, C equal to 5. A equal to 1 by 2, C equal to 5. Listen, next class, before coming next class, the newcomers and all, check with our videos and make sure, because we are going to the next level questions. Now 2 more class enough this chapter. So this enough today.
Okay, so